Hello crafty friends, Kimberly here from KimmyB16. I'm going to share the very basics to change up the color of your digital stamps to give you more options on the way to use them. Here I have Angie Blom Digital Designs new plaid background. The link is below. I clicked on the picture to bring up picture format in the menu bar. To make the image move around the screen, click Wrap Text, then In Front of Text. I want 4 of the images to print on my sheet, so I am going to copy and paste the image 3 more times. Once I have them arranged, I will click on Color in the menu bar and scroll down to Picture Color Options. This box pops up on the right side of the screen. You will click Presets under Picture Color and get Color Options. Click the image, then the color you want. If you want more color options, click Design on the left side of the menu bar and click Color on the right side. You can scroll down to the different color schemes to pick the one that you're looking for. Here I am, just showing you how easy it is to change up the colors. And you can also change the transparency of the image. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial.